In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots in Google Meet in 2025. Whether you're taking notes during a meeting or need a quick snapshot for later reference, capturing these moments is simpler than you might think. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this using your PC, thanks to the versatile snipping tool or snip and sketch feature. First, let's set the stage. Imagine you're about to join a Google Meet session. Perhaps it's a work meeting, a virtual conference, or even a casual catch up with friends. Whatever the scenario, once you're in the meeting, you can start preparing to take your screenshots. The first step is to make sure you're connected and active in the meeting you want to capture. Next, you'll need to select the area you wish to capture. Maybe there's a particular slide being shared, a document, or a key point in a discussion. Great, now that you have your target area in mind, it's time to utilize your snip and sketch feature. You can easily activate this by pressing a simple keyboard shortcut, Windows or Shift S. This brings up the snip and sketch tool, allowing you to seamlessly take screenshots in Google Meet. With the tool now at your fingertips, you will notice an overlay giving you different options. To quickly capture the entire screen, simply click on the full screen snip option. Doing so will take a screenshot of everything visible on your screen, perfect for fully capturing all the details of your Google Meet session. Finally, you'll want to save this screenshot for future use. Once you have captured the desired shot, it is temporarily stored to your clipboard. At this point, you can open a document or any image editing software of your choice. Paste the screenshot by pressing Ctrl+V. This allows you to manipulate and save the image as required. Remember, this is where you can name and store the file in a location that's easy to find whenever you need to reference your meeting notes. By following these steps, you have now successfully mastered the skill of capturing screenshots during a Google Meet. Whether it's for work, study, or just for keeping memories, being able to document your virtual interactions can be incredibly useful. So the next time you're in a meeting and need to quickly take a snapshot, you can confidently do so, ensuring you never miss another important detail. Thank you for joining today and happy screenshotting.